about the tilt skillet, which is right here. Skillet has many uses, including being a braising unit, a griddle, a fry pan, an oven, a kettle, and even a food warmer. The tilt skillet has a hand wheel that is located right here that provides precise control for tilting the pan. This allows the contents of the pan to dump out very easily, which we will see later. Okay. In addition to that, there is also a water faucet right here, a spigot right here to help you drain. There's a power on and off switch located right here. There is a timer located right here, and there is a thermostat over here where you can set the temperature just like you would any regular oven. So before you begin cooking, you want to check to make sure if the machine needs to be plugged in. And you see that it's hardwired, so we don't need to plug anything in. Then you see plastic wrap right here. We can't cook with plastic wrap, so this needs to come off. So we also want to note the safety features of this model, which is very important. First, we have the NSF seal. This means that rigorous testing was done and this unit passed, which means that the standards for food safety in a commercial kitchen were met. Next, we have the water faucet right here. This means this helps if the pan gets too hot, we can cool it down, or even if a fire occurs for any reason, this is right here. Also, the last thing, before you start, you want to make sure that this valve is closed. If it's open, contents can leak out right here. Also, you want to make sure that you plug this hole right here using something about like this with tin foil and saran wrap to make sure that nothing gets in here because it can build up and bacteria can grow. Finally, we're ready to use the tilt skillet. First, we're going to turn the power on. You can see that the light lights up red, so it's on. Next, we're going to put our temperature control on. In this case, we're going to set it to 350. Now we are going to boil some water. We have something in here. I'm going to show you how to properly dump out the contents. We have a container like this. I'm going to put it down here for safety. And slowly we are going to tilt our tilt skillet into the container. Be careful of splashing when something hot is in here. We want to make it completely up and down so that we can drain everything from the pan. Notice the floor drain below in case anything spills out. So now we're going to begin the cleaning process. Make sure that the thermostat is backed off and that the power is on off. Now, we are going to grab a cleaning solution, which I already made right here. It has to be a container of any food-safe soap and hot water. Now, we are going to take a brush, similar to this one, dip some in here, and start cleaning the tilt skillet. Now, we're going to clean the spigot. First, take out the inside that you put in there. Then, grab a brush similar to this, dip it in the solution, and clean the inside. Now, we're going to put some water in here to help get rid of all the soap. After you have finished draining all of the residual cleaning solution using the faucet and the spigot out of the tilt skillet, if you have anything left on the tilt skillet, make sure you use something like a metal spatula or a rubber spatula to get it off. Make sure if you're using a metal spatula, you go very carefully and you don't dig into it and you go very slowly to get off what you need. Because if you don't, then some of the metal surface is going to get off into your tilt skillet and can contaminate future food residue.